Let me say this. I know that you now say it's only Obiakwa I'm talking about, the good people of Rivers State. Everybody will smile, eh? On a lighter note. But today, we're happy because what is important in government is when somebody takes over, are the people happy? The people are happy because we are doing what you people want. And that thing that you want is making you happy, putting smiles on your faces, making life easy for you. We will continue to do it. We will not relent in that, our drive. Let me, I talk more like an administrator, not too much like a politician. When we want to do the political one, I will invite my guy from Abuja to come and do the political one. So let me limit it to the administrative one. But in all, everybody needs to come together, work together to sustain peace and respect for this state. I need to say this because I believe this is a live broadcast. Any traditional ruler, be it even from my place, who is supporting cultism that is beginning to be a problem in our state, I assure you, as I've started with the Hoda East, I will come after you.